Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy. Today we are going to learn how to make a single and multiple search bar in Excel to find anything in a data. Let's begin. This is our data, we have today this data and we want to create a search bar like this one here. For example, now if I want to search any account manager here, I will just copy and paste the data and it will give me all the data relevant to this account manager. And if I want to search a multiple columns, for example by product, I will just write a product name or category name or ship made. We can search it here. So let's begin. I will guide you how to develop this. First of all, this data, what we have it as of now with us, it is in the table format. If you look at it, it is showing table and data. First of all, I will guide you how to do this. Convert it into a range, then you will see a data mode has been finished. And now I will just select the data, all data, and control plus T and say OK. Now this data is in format of table. So I will write its name data. Now I am keeping this table as a data. I am going to copy all the header of this data. Copy, and I will go to a next Excel sheet. I will paste it here as is. And now I will make here one formula. For that one, if we want to make it the search bar here, which I showed you here in this one, there is a method to do this one. First of all, we need to have on the top here developer tab, which is missing here. How to bring the tab here? I will just right click on here anywhere on the toolbars and customize the ribbon, and I will come here. If you will see here the main tabs, developer is unchecked. I will just click check and you will see all this one will be available with us. Now you can see the developer tab is here with us. Now I will click here and put it design mode, and I will insert a text box. I will put in, I am going to use column C3. So I am just putting it here. You can make it smaller even, and just right click on it and go to the properties, and here linked cell C3 and close it, and design mode off. Now I will write here for a single search a simple formula equals to filter the data what I choose it over there data. The data is now a table name, comma. What I want to search here, I want to search the account manager name. I will go here in the orders and I will choose here account manager and select all of them here and equals to C3. What we choose it, comma, inverted commas, no match. If it is not available, it will show us no match. See, as of now it's no match. Now I am going to click it here and I want any account manager name. I just copy it from here and I will just paste it here. You can see all the relevant information about this account manager, it's available here. Account manager information is appearing here, you can see it now. Now we will find how to make it multiple searches, for example order priority, product name, product category, ship mode, date mode, these all information we can do it. So I will create another sheet for it and I will copy the header from here, copy, and I will go in the sheet 6, I will paste it here Now again I will go to developer tool, design mode, insert this, and I will create this bar. Right click on the bar, go to properties, C3 and close it and design mode off. Now I will write here another formula equal to filter data comma isnumber search C3 comma. Now I want to search it with different things. Now I will go here. First of all I will come here and I will give the customer name. Customer name, I select all of them, control shift down arrow, then I am writing it here, comma, no match, close bracket, and we need to close these brackets as well, which we started here. Okay, you can see here all the data is available with us, but we want to search a specific information for with the customer name. For example, Patrick. I am just copying it and coming to the Excel sheet 6, and here it's Patrick. This one is multi and this one is single. In the multi one, now we want to, for example, search for account manager. Instead of customer name, I want to find account manager. What I need to do, I need to change a formula little bit here. What I need to do, I will just come here in the data, I will copy this from here to this information copy, I will add plus sign and paste the value, and then I will write here instead of customer name what I want to find it, customer type, CUS, customer type. You can see it here, it's available. Then again plus sign instead of customer name. Now just start typing account manager plus paste again the same and come back here, product type, product name plus product category plus paste again, ship mode, okay, and press enter. Now for example, you want to search here, we will take an example here, account manager name. We had just created this. Now you can see it's relevant to the account manager. It's all account manager. You can see it here. All information is available here. I will just freeze it for your information, so it will not change. So this one account manager. Now I want to make it by product name. Now I will change here product, and you will see the product by product, it's there, only product name is appearing here. Now you can see it. Now product category, we will check it, the product category. Product category is this one, office supplies. Now I want to just see office supplies, all office supplies are here. And if I want to see shipping mode, now you can see it here by shipping mode. So this is a multiple type. anything, anyone, you can choose it from here and you can just filter it out. And if you want, you can use here, for the example, you want to see the cost value, retail price value, discount value, you can put here one more formula here. For example, this is your retail discount and on retail price, and this is your total value. You want to see it here equals to subtotal. Here you will see sum on 9. Just click 9, comma, and you can choose. Okay, see, now when I'm choosing it here, this office supplies, I will come here, I will write here just office supplies. You will see here office supplies only, and this value is changing as well. Earlier it was higher value, now we can make it like this one. And if you want to make it in million or billions, just one hashtag, 2 commas for million and 3 commas for billion, you can use it, and you can see it, it is in thousands. So it is not appearing here. I just use it comma two digit number, so it is giving you the value. And if I want to in thousands, I will just make one, yeah, it's in thousands. So this way you can easily make your data filter easily. This is the best way to filter out your data. To search, you can now search anything. This required sometimes when you are working in a bigger data like this one, you need to filter it out on different methodologies. The same thing, the searching here, you can do it in the pivot tables as well by creating the slicers. So this is the search bar what we are learning it now today. Thank you very much for today's session.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, please subscribe to my channel, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post a new video. Provide your valuable feedback in comments. Thank you.